How to download video from Telegram private channel to gallery. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download video from Telegram private channel to your gallery. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Telegram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Telegram with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to open the private channel on Telegram. So right now I'm opening the private channel. Alright, so now from here you can see this video whom I want to download on my gallery. So for that you will have to just tap and hold that video. Alright, so after you tap and hold that video, you will get options like save video. So simply you have to go that option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully saved my video to my gallery. So in this way, you can also download the video from Telegram private channel. So it will usually based on your private channel that will allow you to download the video from that channel or not. So in this way, you can download the video. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.